Welcome to Lincoln American University.
Hello, everyone, and greetings from LAU. My name is Jasmine. I welcome you all participate to our session today, where we'll be learning about studying in America. So today we are going to discuss about education in India and abroad, about the region and the country, about the university, benefits of studying in LAU, and at the end of the session, we'll be taking a doubt and questionnaire wherein you will all get a chance to question us and resolve all your issues. So let's begin with how to consider get a seat in India. So getting seat in India, it's quite impossible, as we well know that there are very less availability of medical seats in India. Of course, when the seats are available, the chances are you need to pay high donation fees for the admissions. And if you get the admission, the first requirement when it comes is the NEET examination. So if suppose due to any specific reason you are not able to clear your NEET examination, you have to drop your 1 year and start preparing for it again. And even if you are preparing for NEET and somehow you clear the NEET examination, you have to wait for the whole year to get completed and start your program from the next year onwards. And of course, there is no surety for the next year also whether you will get the admission or not. Right? So it will end up crushing your dreams. You have to give up on your dreams or compromise with something else which you don't want to pursue. Which is why, as an option, we always keep is benefits why you should go for studying in abroad. Now, when we talk about studying in abroad, it's give you the benefit that includes the opportunity to see new territories, natural wonders, museum, landmarks. It will give you a different country, different location. You will meet new people, and of course, you will get a great exposure. After that, the another benefit we might consider is in studying in abroad is that you will be studying a different style of education. You will have a chance to see a side of your major you may not have been exposed yet while sitting at home. Now, let's talk about further about the Caribbean country. What exactly Caribbean is? So Caribbean is a region that consists of Caribbean Sea and the surrounding coasts. The region is southeast of the Gulf of Mexico and the North America mainland, east of Central America and north of South America. So the location and languages are attractive for reason. This is the biggest reason a student prefer to study in Caribbean. But the quality of education which they offer at the island institution is even more compelling. Let's go ahead and talk about the Guyana. So Guyana is a hidden gem of Caribbean and the only English-speaking country in the South America region. It's well known of their natural beauty as well. Also, 40% of Indian population is there. The population of India is 45%. Apart from that, it's a well-developing country with rich resources like gold, diamond, oil, and bauxite. The cost of living is quite reasonable relative to other countries. We can see as per India, as per Indian rupees, 1 Indian rupees, it's 3 Guyanese dollars. So I guess that is quite reasonable if it to say. So let's move forward and talk about Lincoln American University. So our university is under the medical career, one of the fastest growing medical colleges in America, which is listed in WDOMS, which is World Directory of Medical School. It is also registered with National Accreditation Council of Guyana. Our LAU is also approved by NCI, which is Medical Council of India, affiliated with Association of Medical Education in Europe. It is certified from Education Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates and also affiliated with Global Alliance Medical Education. LAU is also registered with Foundation for Advancement of International Medical Research. So as a university, it's globally recognized. It's available with all the credential which is required for an education purpose. Moving forward, if we talk about associations, for as I said earlier, 45% of population is Indian, which makes it friendly in a relationship. Okay, student doesn't feel like they're far away from their home. They feel like home itself. As a university, we also celebrate all the festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, and Christmas. And it's a national holidays as well. So conducive environment is enable student to they easily adapt there, they easily get involved with each and everywhere in the university. So moving forward, we talk about the program which we provide. So we provide a 5 years program for the students without the bachelor science degree. And for other students with have bachelor science degree, we provide 4-year medical program. So the first year will be pre-medical. Second year will be basic science preclinical program. And the last 2 years will be the clinical rotation program. Now let's say every student have a question. What if they are not able to clear their NEET quality, like if they are not able to crack their NEET, if they are not able to qualify NEET? So the best part is our university offers each and every student an opportunity where even if they are not able to crack their NEET examination, they can still take admission with us. So for the first year, without wasting any single year, our student will be studying with us their first year pre-medical. Along with that, they will be preparing for their NEET examination. And of course, from the second years, they can start their graduation, their program from Goanna and Lincoln American University. So we directly have a tie-up with Sharda University for that. So they'll be studying here in India with Sharda University. And they will prepare for their NEET examination as well. So the first year pre-medical, as I said, MBBS degree, we will be preparing them with or without NEET, both of that. Without NEET, it will be without leaving India. They'll be studying here in Sharda. We'll prepare them via online and offline classes, both the scenarios. Even if the COVID situation, we are providing them the classes offline, and after enrolling, they will be learning, they will continue their education in the offline purpose as well, with LAU or Sharda. So 4 years program, we are offering each and everything which a student is looking for. We know that state-of-art infrastructure is there. We follow US-based curriculum, which provide a student a well guidance of the abroad exposure. We have ample number of options for clinical rotation. Like we have option for Guyana, USA, India, and Nepal as well. For USMLE coaching, which is required for US, we do provide a coaching by Kaplan. The best part is students don't need any other language apart except English. So they don't need to give any English proficiency test such as IELTS, PTE, or TOEFL. Online classes are there for the exchange programs. Moving forward, let's talk about the clinical rotation which we offer. So for the clinical rotation, we have tie-up with, in Guyana, we have a tie-up with Georgetown Public Hospital. In Nepal, we have a tie-up with Manmohan Memorial Teaching. In Guyana, also we have a Davis Memorial Hospital. And in India, we have a tie-up with Max Healthcare. As you can see, for USA, we have American Clinical Experience as well for furthering forward. So these are the pictures of clinical rotation in Nepal. You can see our students who are pursuing their clinical rotation in Nepal. This is from New Delhi, Max Healthcare. And this is from Guyana. Even in the situation of Corona, our students were still getting their proper online classes without facing any issues. There was no issue. They were taking classes. The online session was conducted by a faculty. Our faculty were there to help them 24/7. They were, if they have any doubt, they are directly able to contact them and clear their doubts then and there itself. So let's talk about the academics in LAU, Lincoln American University. So the state of infrastructure, as I mentioned before, the system-based curriculum, which we follow a US-based curriculum. Options are available for NEET and non-NEET qualified. You save your whole year without even wasting a single year. You will be continuing your education. You have excellent faculties in their respective fields. And of course, after completing your program, your MBBS program, you have ample number of options, whether it's about clinical rotation or in future. So for clinical rotation, we have Guyana, USA, India, and Nepal. We do provide USMLE coaching also with Kaplan, and no other language is needed except English. So everyone has a question like what they'll be doing after graduating. So after graduation, yes, you can apply for residency in USA. You can work in UK, Australia, New Zealand, and also you can come back to India anytime. But of course, you have to give your respective exam. You need to, for Caribbean, you need to qualify CMAT exam. For India, you have to give FMG or next exam, and then you can apply for your PG. So you have ample number of options after graduating. You will be having, because as I said, this degree is worldwide certified. So as a student and as a parents, we have this question, what will happen if I will move to Guyana? What will be the first thought comes is whether we'll be provided with an accommodation or food or not. So yes, we do provide accommodation as well as food. So while it comes to accommodation, we provide 2-seater and 3-seater options along with attached washroom and kitchen where student can cook also. If they don't want to cook, they do get Indian mess available. There are food facilities there. The hostel, it's fully air conditioned in India as well as in Guyana. Also, the hot water facility is provided from October to February because you're well aware that India's temperature keeps changing. So it's same with Guyana. India is quite similar to Guyana itself. We do provide Wi-Fi enabled, and the distance from university to Guyana, it's approx 1 kilometer in Sharda. So moving forward, as I have mentioned earlier, that the 40% of the population is Indian. It's quite friendly relationship. And let's talk about the safety. So if you are concerned about your safety, let me tell you, it's quite safe. All you need to do is you need to take few precautions which need to be taken in any foreign country. Okay, there are, of course, there are strict timings for entry and exit from hostel and university, which needs to be followed. So every student should follow that. And for us, from our end, we do provide 24/7 security guards, both in both hostel and university. So how you can apply to our university? To apply to our university, you need to submit your documentation like your high school certificate, scan copy of your passport size photograph, all it's needed, okay? And you need to share it with the admission review committee who will be going through your documentation. And then you need to accept it within next 15 days once the issuance of the letter, okay? And pay the 25% of the fees against the advance fees. Third will be you need all your document need to be submitted, your 10th, 12th mark sheet, your medical fitness certificate, police clearance certificate, sponsor letter, last 3 months of your bank statement with minimum US 7,000 balance, and yellow fever vaccination certification is also required. Once this is being done, you will pay the remaining 75% of the fees. You will once all your documentation is done, it takes about 1 month to get your visa. Then you can pay for your air ticket, food, and accommodation. and then you can directly fly to Guyana. And finally, the moment will come when you arrive to your dream university, where you'll be greeted by the university members and get to explore your second home. So these are the testimonials of the students. You can see we have received few testimonials from, you can also watch the videos which are there in YouTube of our students. These are few students who have reviews us. So you can see what exactly they want to say. If you talk about Meenakshi Mishra, she tells us how good she felt with the faculty, how supportive they are. If we talk about Robin Singh, he mentioned that the food and the environment is quite good, and the teacher and the staff is very cooperative. Marissa William is talking about the labs, which of course I mentioned that our labs are quite spacious and allow every students to work on their respective details which they need to. So MBBS is just not study, it's a responsibility. If you can dream it, you can do it. I must say, if we are saying this thing, yes, it is. It is possible to achieve your dream. It is possible because it's a responsibility. And if you want to pursue this, you can do it. You don't need to wait any single year. You don't have to waste any year. You can just start your education right now without even thinking twice. So thank you everyone for the session. Moving forward, we'll be taking questions here. We have Mr. Abhijit Verma, admission counselor with us. So if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment box. We will be addressing all the questions here. And of course, you can call us, you can contact us on our toll-free number, send a mail to our email ID, as well as you can visit our website anytime, www.laumed.org. So if you have any doubts, please you can put it in the comment box and you can let us know.
Thank you so much, Jasmine.
Hello, sir.
Thank you for the session. Actually, we have some question. Can I ask?
Yes, sir.
One student is asking the question, Sonu, how can I get admission in this university?
Sonu, as I mentioned, you can start start submitting your documentation. You can call us or you can mail us your documents. We will review your documents, and all you need to do is you need to reserve your seat by paying your application fees, and you can reserve your seat, and you will be receiving the letter within 15 days, and you have to accept it.
Next question, what is the fee structure?
So the fee structure, the approx amount which it will cost you, it will be 40 to 45 lakh, including your 5 years program with food and accommodation.
I will explain more about this tuition fee. Hello everyone, myself Abhijit Verma. I am academic coordinator in Lincoln American University. Hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में, आपकी फैमिली अच्छे से होंगे और आप सभी की नीट का प्रिपरेशन भी बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा होगा। आप हमें टोल फ्री नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग नीट डाउट। अभी नीट एग्जामिनेशन अभी हमारे कमिंग मंथ में है 12 सितंबर को। आप कभी भी कॉल करके हमारे काउंसलर से पूछ सकते हैं रिगार्डिंग नीट। अच्छा ऑप्शन है हमारे पास। देखो कोरोना का भी पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन चल रहा है, लेकिन हमारा ड्रीम नहीं रुक सकता है। मेडिकल ड्रीम जो हमने सोचा है, बच्चों ने सोचा है, उसके लिए लिंकन अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी हमेशा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं बच्चों को। We have some questions like scholarship. We have some question regarding the tuition fee. I will give you the hints about the tuition fee. We have a very nominal tuition fee in comparison to other universities because we providing the we have a subsidized fee. आपको अगर other universities से अगर आप comparison करेंगे, मैं comparison नहीं करूँगा यहाँ पे because I'm giving you the positive point. हमारी universities का fee structure, we have a lots of facilities. सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा in budget में है. Fee structure is around $35,000. Tuition fee okay, including the visa documentations, everything. और भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए फीस स्ट्रक्चर को लेकर, वी विल गिव यू द डिटेल फीस स्ट्रक्चर। आप हमें कॉल टोल फ्री नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं 1800853959 पर। एंड वन क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग बाय Rahul Abhishek, any scholarship for the meritorious student? Yes, Rahul, we have a scholarship for the meritorious student. Most welcome. Meritorious student हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखते हैं, because यूनिवर्सिटीज अच्छे बच्चों से अच्छे स्टूडेंट से ही चलेगी। तो आप अपने स्टूडेंट, अपने जो भी आपके पास मार्कशीट है, 12 की मार्कशीट, नीट का स्कोर, आप हमें शेयर कीजिए, आप हमें मेल कीजिए info@leumed.org पे, और आपको स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा कि आप कौन सी कैटेगरीज में आपका स्कॉलरशिप आता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय मनु कटियाल, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन इंडिया कैंपस एंड ज्ञाना कैंपस? सी मनु, देयर इज अ only campus is difference but studies they very equal. Okay, आप अगर फर्स्ट ईयर एमबीबीएस की बात करते हैं तो हमारे लिए इंडिया में शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ टाई अप है, आप यूज कर रहे हैं शारदा कैंपस, बट आपको जो सारी क्लासेस और जो सारी फैसिलिटी मिल रही है वो आपको ज्ञाना की फैसिलिटी मिलेगी। आपको कैरिकुलम भी यूनिवर्सिटी का ही फॉलो करना है, तो आपके पास एक अच्छा ऑप्शन आ जाता है। डिफरेंस ऑब्वियसली इंडियन, अगर कैंपस की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर इंडियन मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग की बात कर रहे हैं तो इंटरनेशनल में बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपोजर मिलता है, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर अच्छा मिलता है। वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फैसिलिटीज, वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ टाई अप इन द डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटी। हमारे अदर कंट्रीज में भी हमारा क्लिनिकल रोटेशन के लिए टाई अप है, हमारा एसोसिएशन है अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज अदर कंट्रीज के साथ, लाइक रशिया के साथ भी है। तो स्टूडेंट के साथ एक प्रैक्टिकल का एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिल जाता है। More you if you want to more details, you can contact our toll free number. Next question, how to get the application? Okay, you can get the application after the drop the mail on our email id info@leumed.org। आप इसमें मेल कीजिए, आपको यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म चला जाएगा। अदरवाइज हमारे टोल फ्री नंबर पे आप कॉल करेंगे तो भी आपको हमारे काउंसलर आपको व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू, मेल के थ्रू आपको एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भेज देंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मनु कटियाल, उन्होंने फिर से क्वेश्चन पूछा है अबाउट द रोटेशन। ओके, द वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द रोटेशन? एक्चुअली मैं रोटेशन के बारे में थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूंगा। रोटेशन देखो, 4th और 5th ईयर में हमारा क्लिनिकल रोटेशन होता है। 4th और 5th ईयर इज कंप्लीट क्लिनिकल रोटेशन, इट्स अ हॉस्पिटल पार्ट। क्लिनिकल रोटेशन में क्या होता है, आपको रोटेशन के अंदर में हॉस्पिटल के अंदर आपको डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट में आपको रोटेशन करना पड़ता है। हमारा रोटेशन टोटल 88 वीक का होता है। 44 वीक हमारे 4th ईयर में कंप्लीट होते हैं, 44 वीक हमारे 5th ईयर में होते हैं, इन विच इंक्लूड सर्जरी, पेडियाट्रिक्स, ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, डर्मेटोलॉजी, डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट में आपको करना पड़ता है। और ऑप्शन क्या है हमारे पास? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन तो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में, यूनिवर्सिटी से जो रिलेटेड ज्ञाना के अंदर में जो हॉस्पिटल्स है उनके साथ आप रोटेशन कर सकते हो। सेकंड ऑप्शन, आप यूएसए जा सकते हो क्लिनिकल रोटेशन के लिए। थर्ड, आप इंडिया आ सकते हो, वी हैव अ एक्सक्लूसिव टाई विद द मैक्स हॉस्पिटल, जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी स्टूडेंट कर रहे हैं हमारी क्लिनिकल रोटेशन। आप यूनिवर्सिटीज के बच्चों से भी मिल सकते हो हॉस्पिटल में जाके, स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग द क्लिनिकल रोटेशन। आप मनमोहन मेमोरियल टीचिंग हॉस्पिटल नेपाल काठमांडू में जाकर भी आप clinical rotation कर सकते हो। You have lots of option, and in coming months, in coming year, we also going to tie up with the different hospitals also. Okay, there is a question. Jasmine, you tell what is the deadline for applying? Jasmine, please tell.
Yes, you can start Rishikesh, you can start filling the application. We have already started applying for it, and once we have very limited seats available, and it fills very fastly, so you can start applying, you can start filling your application as soon as possible, because once the seats are full, we can't assure you whether the seats will be available or not, whether the application for further will be open or not.
Thank you. One question is, I will give it answer by Sini. What in case if a student from BMS, BHMS, BUMS and other BSc courses done, what will the process of admission in the NEET is mandatory for this such a student? Okay. Those students who complete the BSc, BMS, B Pharma, and the BSc degree, like graduation degree in the medical stream, they are allowed to take the admission in the second year. आप वो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में डायरेक्टली, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं लैटरल एंट्री, वो डायरेक्टली सेकेंड ईयर में आ सकते हैं. उनका कोर्स ड्यूरेशन टोटल 4 ईयर का होगा, बट कंडीशन इज नीट क्वालिफाइड. इस कंडीशन में आपको नीट कंपल्सरी होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी सीट्स आर देयर अप्रोक्सीमेटली? We have a route right now. We have a limited seat. Okay, most of the student is doing the registration. Our seminar is also going on in different cities. Okay, so you can first come first serve its basis on the. आप जल्दी से अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म दीजिए, अपनी डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर कीजिए हमसे. आपको हमारे काउंसलर आपको हेल्प करेंगे. अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कीजिए. एवरीथिंग वी आर डूइंग द स्टेप बाय स्टेप. आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि वी आर डिमांडिंग द ट्यूशन फी द एडवांस एंड एवरीथिंग. आपको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉलो करना है. वी ऑल्सो फॉलो द स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस. आपको अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म देना है. आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स का वेरिफिकेशन होगा यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से. फिर आपके पास यूनिवर्सिटी से मेल आएगा. देन यू फॉर द रजिस्टर द सीट. फिर आपका आगे का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा. वी हैव अ डेडलाइन. वी The question is from the Nigeria. Okay, Nigerian student, how can apply? Okay, international students are also most welcome. Okay, you can apply through the mail. Okay, our international counselors guide you regarding the same. How can you apply for the admissions? So we have lots of students from the international side, like Ghana, Caribbean side students are also studying in our university. So you can apply. You can call our toll-free number. Okay, and you can also mail us info@laume.org. Okay, our international team will guide you on the same. There's a question: how many students have been selected for internship? Okay, internship is done after the MBBS. Okay. If you've done your MBBS, then you go for the internship. First of all, you complete your pre-medical, then your 2 years of BSc, basic science MBBS, then your clinical rotation, then you go for the internship. Okay, and exit examination is compulsory if you're doing the MBBS in practice in India. I think we have covered all the questions. If you have any doubt, you can write in chat box. Or you can call on 1800-853-9595. Jasmine, is there any question that you want to ask?
Okay, sir. So there is a student asking, like, after MBBS, do we need to appear for any entrance exam?
After MBBS, obviously, see, देखो दो ऑप्शन है आपके पास. अगर आप MBBS करके हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू आप USMLE क्लियर करके, अगर आप USMLE कंप्लीट करके रेजिडेंसी करके अगर आप इंडिया आते हो तो नो नीड फॉर एनी एग्जामिनेशन, एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन. अगर आप 5 ईयर MBBS कंप्लीट करके अगर आप इंडिया आते हो तो आपको एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन देना पड़ेगा. पहले जो एग्जामिनेशन होता था उसका नाम था FMG. अभी भी FMG है, फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट एग्जामिनेशन. बट इन कमिंग ईयर्स अभी कंफर्मेशन भी आने को है. नेक्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, नेशनल एग्जिट टेस्ट. तो वो आपको देना पड़ेगा. लेकिन आपको एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन से ज्यादा घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से आपको प्लस पॉइंट क्या है कि आपका क्लिनिकल रोटेशन अगर आप इंडिया से करते हो मैक्स सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट हॉस्पिटल से, न्यू दिल्ली से, तो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिट हो जाता है इस एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन को क्लियर करने. बिकॉज आपको एक बहुत अच्छा इन्वॉल्वमेंट मिलता है इंडिया में मैक्स हॉस्पिटल. आप नेपाल से भी कर सकते हो. So no need to worry about the exit examination. We also giving the next coaching classes. Okay, everything is included our tuition. So you no need to pay any extra.
Okay, sir. There is Kashish.
Yeah, please ask.
Yes, sir. We have Kashish here. Kashish Saxena, and she wants to know how many students have been selected for clinical rotation and how can they apply for clinical rotation on their own?
See, there is a no criteria for the clinical rotation selection. Okay, this is the part of your MBBS. आप clinical rotation आपका MBBS का part है ये. आप जब MBBS अपनी फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर एंड थर्ड ईयर जब वो कंप्लीट करते हैं तो आपको क्लिनिकल रोटेशन करना ही है. ये आपके स्टडी का पार्ट है. आप इसमें चूज कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रेफरेंस. आपको नेपाल जाना है, आप नेपाल जा सकते हैं. अगर आपको इंडिया में रहना है, रोटेशन आप इंडिया से कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको गयाना से करना है क्लिनिकल रोटेशन, जॉर्जटाउन पब्लिक हॉस्पिटल, आप वहां से कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको रोटेशन करना है तो आप रोटेशन कर सकते हो यूएसए से आफ्टर द यूएसएम एग्जामिनेशन.
I guess, sir, we have covered all the questions which student had. Thank you so much, Abhijit sir, for answering their questions, and thank you so much for joining our session, sir. And everyone, thanks a lot for joining our session. If you have any questions further, you can always get back to us on our website, or you can get back to us on our email ID or toll-free number. We will be there to help you out anytime. We can, you can even mail us. You want to contact us, you can call us back, and you can clear your doubts. All right, so we'll be ending this session here, and moving forward, if you want to apply for our university, yes, you can write down to us and mail us and contact us on our toll-free number. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day ahead.